Let me show you how to hard reset your iPhone 17 Pro and Pro Max. So if you want to completely wipe everything from your phone and return to the factory state, you can simply go in the settings, then general settings, so all the way down till you see transfer or reset iPhone here. And if you, for example, click the first option, that will only allow us to delete some individual settings. So again, if something is not working for you, you can only delete this, so without completely resetting your phone. But if you want to, for example, sell or return this phone or give it someone else, we will click over here, erase all content. So you see, basically, once you click this, all your data will get basically removed from your phone, pictures, videos, any documents, also your Apple account, any locks on your phone. So again, also even the eSIM as well. So again, we do not want to keep this if you are selling this phone. So we would click continue, and you have again two options here. So either keep the eSIM, so the service you have if you have eSIM installed here, or delete everything. So again, if you want to sell or return, simply select the later option and will start the reset process. Good luck.